Listen, I had all intention to like do a bunch of work today, and I realized that I've gotten myself to a kind of weird place sometimes where I just like continually overwork stuff on things that like sometimes I feel like I should be doing. And then I feel like I miss out on a lot of stuff creatively that I could be doing or that artistically I could be furthering my artistry. Anyway, hi, hello, welcome to my channel. I'm CourtneyQuarantine. Today I'm going to be getting into some makeup that I just simply want to do. And I feel like it is very like clown and vampire inspired. So I'm just gonna leave it at that, and I'm gonna see what happens. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I would love for you to join me here, giving this video a like, giving a thumbs up, and also commenting something down below if you have a favorite like mystical creature or maybe like a cryptid or something that you enjoy. But I'm just gonna do some cool makeup, and I have a bunch of things here that I want to try. A lot of it is Krylon that I want to try today. I have the TV paint sticks and just like the face. I just want to do cool makeup, and I just want to see what happens. And that's it. Like that's pretty much it. I feel like I need to do this for like my soul, because sometimes I stray away from like artistry stuff and I get too into like, oh, pretty makeup, which artistry stuff can be pretty, but you know what I mean. Actually don't know what I'm saying. I just want to do some cool makeup, and we're going to see what happens. I'm going to start off with the Melt Cosmetics Liquid Eye. No, it's the Liquid Shadow. Liquid Eyeshadow and Base. The Melted Liquid Eyeshadow and Base from Melt Cosmetics. This is in the shade Ultra White, and I'm going to use it as an eye primer. I'm going to simply put it all over. Use it as a base. I freaking love this product. Dude, I love this product so much. I just wish they locked closed. That's my only thing. Like, that is legitimately the only thing that I have to complain about. This is perfect to me. I love this. I thought you were gonna catch me. I'm gonna tap it out with this like concealer brush. This is a BK brush that I really enjoy. I feel better already. Holy crap. Now, I have a bunch of these things from Krylon that I purchased recently. I'm literally obsessed with them. I have this weird, gorgeous palette. And then look at these freaking shades, dude. I got these also literally, is this not like the most me trio of freaking gray? This like muddy, nasty color. And then this kind of like purpley, almost like a bruise-ish shade. Almost like a purpley, it's called Aubergine. I love these. For whatever reason though, they don't magnetize down in, like the little thing that they're in, like they don't magnetize down, which is infuriating, but also whatever, it's all right. I'm gonna start off with this stone shade and see what the vibe is. Yeah, stone first was a good move. I like that. There was definitely something on my brush beforehand, but it's all right. And I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna take an unreleased Mob, like Mob X Me powder shadow that I don't think we'll be seeing this anytime soon. But I do really love it, and it is perfect and stunning. So if you do like it, you know, let me know in the comments. But I'm just gonna kind of like mix it into the crease right here. Ooh, it's perfect. It's literally stunning. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry to do that. It's perfect. It's literally gorgeous. God, I love this shade so much. I really do hope someday we see it. Because woo! And look at this. This is a really cool palette. I really enjoy these shades in here. I think I'm just gonna kind of like mess around with a bunch of them. I'm intrigued by this blue, but I'm gonna take this aubergine color first. And I'm just gonna put it on the lid. Ooh, yeah. Are these meant for your eyes? I don't know. Into the crease. Ooh. Yeah. I'm actually going to take a little bit of that brown from that palette instead, that like rusty brown color. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Ooh, wow. Very much yes. I'm going to take Danessa Myricks Nude 3, and this is going to be like my base for, oh, oops, my lower lash line. Took it a little too high over here. Okay. And I'm just going to take a bunch of these, smudge them on the lower lash, and also take the aubergine shade. Yeah. I'm going to start with Cigar. Yeah, dude. Then aubergine. Oh, God. Amazing, incredible. I think I'm gonna wait to do my eyeliner because it's gonna be over my base. Like I'm gonna do like a lot of, maybe some graphic liner and some big wings. So I'm gonna do my base now. This is where these bad boys come into play because I am so excited. These are the TV paint sticks. I got 2 different shades. I believe this is 070 and then this is a TV white. Very, 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 very excited. I got out a fresh new sponge for this because I want it to be clean. If it's gonna be like a white base, I want it to stay white. Okay, let's see. What do we work with? Ooh, it's a little pinky. That's like a little rosy. What's this one? I think this one is like a pure white. Oh, brother. I think I'm just gonna go for it. I think I'm just gonna try. So again, this is the Krylon TV paint stick. Look at that. Wow, it is so fresh and new. Hopefully this doesn't break me out. Well. Oh, what is it about clown makeup? Like, actually, what is it specifically? It smells like sunscreen. Is this too much? Do I blend it out? I don't know. That might be a bit much. I don't know. Bonjour. I'm gonna use a sponge, which ultimately I feel like I should be using a brush, but I don't care. Whatever. Anyhow, along to me. Yup. Good Lord, I feel so happy right now. Why? What's up with that? A little on the nose. A little on the nose. There's a joke there somewhere. I don't know. Oh, by the way, this is the one that's 070. So, oops, my bad. I think I mixed them up when I was talking about them. Okay, I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna go in with my Dermablend powder because it is the most like white slash translucent. Okay. I only have a little bit of it left though, so hopefully this can last me. Oh, I don't think it will. Oh Lord, I'm like out of this stuff. Do I have another one somewhere? God, praise everything. I did actually have a backup. Thank the Lord. Whew. I love this powder. I never want to be without this. Oh my God, that was getting scary. It does come with a puff. I never use this though, but you know. Ooh. I'm just gonna set my face like crazy and just go in. Everywhere. Boop, boop, boop. Yup. Oh, Europe. Yeah, absolutely yes. Man, that is freaking matte. I feel like this is where, like, if I see like a little bit of like the redness and or pink of my skin coming through, that's when I go in with the One Size Stage White. I love this powder. It's very intense. It's very matte. It's very intense. Okay. So I just take a little bit of it almost to kind of like spot conceal with white. Then I'm gonna go back to this stone color and I think I'm just gonna contour like crazy. Yep. Wow, yeah. I also did the temples. I know some people don't really like that, but I just feel like because of like my skeletal build, I just kind of like to. There is a reason, but it's just because there's like a natural indent that happens here and I tend to just like kind of follow my anatomy for the most part, but this is like accentuated. I'm looking like Uncle Fester. Oh, yeah, kind of. Where's aubergine? A little bit of the aubergine shade. Ooh, yeah, 100%. Absolutely. Aubergine on the nose. Absolutely yes. Little on the forehead. Now for the brows. I actually feel like a platinum brow could be kind of cool, but I'm not sold on it. Also, my face is feeling kind of dry. I've been putting a lot of powders on, so I'm going to go in with the One Size powder melt, which I do really enjoy. But if I go overboard with this, there's like a line. And if I cross that line, it's too dewy for me. But there's a little sweet spot that's really quite nice. Ooh, yeah. I actually think I'm gonna do my normal brow spikes. Hello? Where's my spoolie? Hello, what? Why is my spoolie in my purse? Oh, this was in my bag. It's because I was at my friend's studio yesterday, which literally, hello, what? Because I was at my friend's studio yesterday and brother, it was my first time being a guest on a podcast. It was so cool. I'll let y'all know when it's out. I'm literally so excited. Like these dudes rule. It was the coolest thing ever. Actually, I'll probably be posting this after it's out. So shout out to Heroes Reforged. If you haven't already, follow them. I will link them in the description. They're freaking, they rock, dude. They're also just the sweetest human beings. So that was really cool. I don't know why I took my emotional support Sapuli? What? I don't know why I took my spoolie and my brow pen, but maybe I thought I would lose my brows. I don't know. I actually don't know why I took it. So anyway, I've literally worn that brow pen and like this brow routine on for like over 24 hours and it has not budged. So the reason why I needed that was for support. I'm just going to do what I usually do. I'm just going to brush through them and then do my little spikes like so. Little spike. Ooh, yeah, yerp. I need a little bit more gray under the under eyes. Also, they're not like perfectly blended out. Not that it has to be perfect, but I need a little wash. I need a little wash of the gray just to kind of do that. So again, I'm taking the stone single like shadow thing from Krylon. There was definitely like a warm brown on this brush that I didn't clean off, so dang it. That's okay. I'll take a little bit of the Stage White. Give it one of these. Yeah, that's better. Ooh, much better. Okay, liner time. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think I'm gonna blast some music really quick and just do like a wing here or there. And I'm gonna go in with this wet liner palette. This is the Glisten X Lens one. It is so is it upside down? Hello? Whoops. Anyway, it's this one. It bangs, dude. It's so nice. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna turn on some music and see what happens. Okay, I feel like this is pretty much done. I'm really not sure if I want to add any kind of like shimmer, glitter, sparkle. So I'm just going to sit with it for a while and like call it here. I did add a lip. I ended up just kind of putting a bunch of things together and then extending the corners quite a bit. And like, I think maybe, I'm not sure if I like the angle that I put them because like when I'm talking, I don't know, it's a little weird. But honestly, I like it either way. Like this, I just feel good. Like I don't know how to explain it. I don't know how to like, it's like a if you know kind of thing with clown makeup, but I'm telling you right now, like clown makeup or clown inspired makeup or any kind of like face painting that is a little bit different than your normal stuff, it feels so good. Like I feel so hot. I've never felt hotter than when I've done like full face paint type of vibe. And every single person that I talk to kind of mirrors the same thing, particularly with clown inspired makeup. There's just something about it. Like I feel like the eyeliner can be even more dramatic. The lips can be even more dramatic, which I do dramatic lips daily anyway. I just love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. I feel so much better. I know I didn't like tutorial kind of walk through every single thing, and I hope that you didn't mind that. This was really just like I need to do some makeup, and I hope that you enjoyed. I will most likely have a breakdown of this look on like Instagram or here or somewhere where I list out every single product if you're looking for that. But I did just really want to like enjoy the process and just kind of hang out. I love this. This is exactly what I was hoping for. This is exactly what I was picturing, and I just feel so good. So I hope that if you feel inspired to do so, particularly around Halloween time, because usually I feel like that's a time where people can get like a little more comfortable with doing that, because you know, walking around with this kind of makeup you know, might not be something you've ever done before, and that's totally okay. But I hope that you give like the fall season like maybe an excuse to try it, but if not, like give yourself the excuse to do this kind of makeup anytime that you can, anytime that you want to. It doesn't have to be like for a reason. Just to simply put it on and have fun doing so could be it. That could be the whole reason, and that's all right. That's great. That contour like aubergine shade together really is making me feel things, and literally just every detail about this I really enjoy, and that's all I care about. Also very excited about that TV paint stick. I will be using that a lot. I already know all of the Krylon things that I tried, like all of the things that I used for like the first time, really thoroughly enjoying. We'll definitely be reaching for all of that again. I'll probably go put like a fun outfit together or something, I don't know. But seriously, thank you so much for being here and watching and just spending some time with me. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Again, I would love to have you here, giving this video a thumbs up, giving it a like, and maybe commenting something down below. Maybe a makeup look that you've always wanted to do, or if there is like a character or some kind of inspiration behind any of the looks that you ever like kind of feel drawn towards, let me know. I would love to know. And as always, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Ooh, yeah, I feel hot. I feel so freaking hot, dude. What?